Hi, I'm Hannah, project manager behind True Conversion, Square, GeoLeads, and other successful apps with thousands of users. If you're a freelancer, consultant, or agency owner who sends great emails but rarely gets responses, watching follow-ups get ignored while less qualified competitors seem to close deals effortlessly, I want to show you something that could completely change your inbox. There are service providers quietly getting 3 times more responses from the exact same prospects they're emailing. They're not better salespeople or sending more emails. They've tapped into a medium that makes prospects actually pay attention, where a 30-second message gets more responses than a 300-word email. I'm talking about voice messages, and no, you don't need any special equipment. Here's why your current emails aren't working. The average person receives 121 emails per day. Your prospect schemes your email in 3 seconds, then deletes it. Cold email response rates average 8.5%. That means 91 out of 100 people ignore you. You're trapped in the text inbox battlefield, fighting for seconds of attention. Meanwhile, you spend hours writing follow-ups that get ignored. Competitors with worse offers are closing deals faster. You keep wondering, why aren't my prospects responding? Yet while you're fighting for attention, research shows people feel significantly more connected through voice than text, and personalized approaches can boost reply rates by 142%. What if you could make every email feel personal without typing longer messages or spending hours on customization? There's a medium where you own 30 seconds of focused attention, and prospects hear your tone, personality, and authenticity. With VoiceLoop, you can turn any follow-up into a voice message embedded right in your email, in less time than it takes to type. Would you rather send 100 text emails that get 8 responses, or 100 voice emails that get 27? Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Click the mic icon in Gmail or Outlook. Step 2. Talk for 30 seconds like you're leaving a friendly voicemail. Step 3. Click send. In about 45 seconds, VoiceLoop records your voice message, transcribes it automatically, creates a beautiful audio player, embeds it directly in your email. Your prospect sees an audio player in their inbox, not another wall of text. They click. They hear your voice. They respond. No uploading files. No sharing links. No complicated setup. Works in Gmail, Outlook, mobile, anywhere you send email. We tested VoiceLoop with freelancers, agencies, and sales teams. Results: average response rate jumped from 18% to 54%. That's 3 times more responses from the same prospects. One brand strategist closed a $12,000 deal with a 90-second voice follow-up. A sales team's reply rate went from 12% to 41%. Average invoice payment time dropped from 45 days to 11 days. One user said, "I sent my first voice follow-up to a dead lead. They replied in 20 minutes, and we closed that afternoon." Another, "My prospects say, wow, so personal, my close rate doubled. But I hate my voice." Everyone thinks this. Your prospects don't care about your voice. They care that you took 30 seconds to talk to them specifically. Sounds complicated? You just watched the demo. Click, talk, send. If you can send a text message, you can use VoiceLoop. Will it work in my email? Yes. Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, any email client. Your recipient just clicks play. No app required. Takes too much time? Recording takes less time than typing a thoughtful email and gets 3 times the results. You can get lifetime access to VoiceLoop today, normally $297, but right now just $67 for Black Friday. You'll get lifetime access, unlimited voice messages forever, email response templates library, 50 proven voice scripts, mastering async communication course, replace meetings with voice, VoiceLoop swipe file, real messages that close deals, works in Gmail, Outlook, Chrome, mobile plus all future updates. By tomorrow, you could send your first voice message. By next week, prospects saying, "Wow, this feels so personal." Your emails deserve to be heard. VoiceLoop makes sure they are. Click the button below to get VoiceLoop for $67.